Where's this man? Oh, I can't see him.
He's humping something.
Can we hear a round of applause for the Exo Necro? Now, let me let our generals and XOs give you a couple words of motivation, huh?
Where's the resistance at? Let's make some noise, boys.
A lot of people ask me, am I afraid of death? Hell yeah, I'm afraid of death. I don't want to die yet. A lot of people think that I worship the devil.
Respect it. Respect it.
Shit. Look, I can't change the way I think.
Yeah, I see
And I
him.
can't change the way I am. But if I offended you, good. 'Cause I still
You're not here.
I'm zoning off of one joint, stopping a limo, hopped in the window, shopping a demo
here
at
they come, here they
gunpoint.
come.
A lyricist without a clue. What year is this? Fucking needle, here's a sword, body pierced with this. Living them up, never giving a fuck. Give me the keys, I'm drunk, and I've never driven a truck. But I smoke dope in the cab. I stab you with the sharpest knife I can grab. Come back the next week and reopen your scab. A killer instinct runs in the blood, emptying full clips and burying guns in the mud. I calmed down now, I was heavy once in the drugs. I could walk around straight for 2 months with a buzz. My brain's gone, my soul's
In or on the other side?
the rest of my body still being operated on. I'm ducked the fuck down while I'm writing this rhyme, cause I'm probably gonna get struck with lightning this time. All the weed that I smoke, yo, this blunt's for you. To all the people I've offended, yeah, fuck you too. To all the friends I used to have, I miss my past. For the rest of you assholes can kiss my ass. All the drugs that I've done, yo, I'm still gonna do. To all the people I've offended, yeah, fuck you too. So every time I reminisce, yo, I miss my past, but I still don't give a fuck. Y'all can kiss my ass. I walked into a gunfight with a knife to kill you and cut you so fast when your blood spilled it was still blue. I'll hang you till you dangle and chain you with both ankles and pull you apart on both angles. I wanna crush your skull till your brains leak out of your veins and bust open like broken water mains. So tell Saddam not to bother with making another bomb, cause I'm crushing the whole world in my palm. Got your girl on my arm and I'm armed with a firearm so big my entire arm's a giant firebomb. Firebomb is circ with a Slim Shady iron on and the pants to match. I'ma try 'em on. I get a master tip with a mouth full of adjectives, a brain full of adverbs, and a box full of laxatives. Plus an hospital accident. God help me before I commit some irresponsible acts again. To all the weed that I've smoked, yo, this blunt's for you. To all the people I've offended, yeah, fuck you too. To all the friends I used to have, yo, I miss my past, but the rest of you assholes can kiss my ass. To all the drugs that I've done, yo, I'm still gonna do. To all the people I've offended, yeah, fuck you too. So every time I reminisce, yo, I miss my past, but I still don't give a fuck. Y'all can kiss my ass. I wanted an album so rugged nobody can touch it. Spent $1 million a track and went over my budget. But how in the fuck am I supposed to get out of debt? I can't rap anymore. I just murdered the alphabet. Drug sickness got me doing some bug switches. I'm withdrawing from crack so bad my blood itches. I don't rap to get the women. Fuck bitches. Give me a fat slut that cooks.
Head down.
Never ran with a clip. I'm a boss. Kamikaze. Strapping a motherfucking bomb across me. From the second I was born, my mama lost me. I'm a cross between Nance and Shamanasi.
I didn't recognize that
here in the first place. My worst day on this earth was my first birthday. Retarded. What did that nurse say? Brain damage. Fuck, I was born during the earthquake.
Right there, in the doorway.
For you. To all the people I've offended, yeah, fuck you too. To all the friends I used to have, I miss my past, but the rest of you assholes can kiss my ass. To all the drugs that I've done, yo, I'm still going to. To all the people I've offended, yeah, fuck you too. So every time I reminisce,
In the red
I
building.
miss my past, but I
Left
still
side
don't
of
give a
it.
fuck. Y'all can kiss my ass.
Ben! I need a group to rush that fucking building. They will run away. We need to get to the other side of that.
Let's fucking do it. Let's go.
I need to get a group pumped up. Larry! We need to go straight through. I need a group to charge those buildings and they will fucking run. They will run. You know they will run. Alright. Larry, get them ready to go! You ready? What we gotta do? Are you ready? We're just rushing those buildings. Rush the buildings. Rush these buildings. Ready? Go! 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 Let's go! Let's go! Let's get fast. Coming under. Are they in here? I don't know. Yeah, one in here. Hit. Good job, you guys. See him? That's a hit on your hopper.